man, Bob. The way the fine weave caresses my skin is pure magic. Rusty's new trombone has some heat.
The Saints are cleaning house.
There goes a contestant, Bobby. Nice sweet friend.
And another one bites the dust.
Down goes Slippery Nipple.
And we got more ponies on the field.
A tragic end for Rusty's new trombone.
One less racer on the field. And here comes Hot Carlos with his steed, Nicky the Nag.
Look at that old nag.
Send that one to the glue factory.
The mischievous Gimp is here, always a fan favorite. Hot Carlos has been blown away.
Hey, I'll be your pony anytime.
Goodbye, mischievous Gimp. You will be missed.
And we have a winner. A great showing by the head of the Saints and his pony, Zemo.
Yes, indeed. And that horse has definitely earned an extra carrot today.
So, you rescued Zemos. What's next?
The Dominatrix orders Paul to terrorize the city, and we need to figure out a way to stop it.
It was our darkest hour, and despair was filling the Saints. But Donnie came forward with a plan to save us all.
Let's not oversell it. He had us build a spaceship.
As a team, Kinsey. As a team.
You guys are at least showing the 7-minute QTE montage of us building the ship to fight Paul, right?
Jesus! I didn't think getting a giant monster to eat us was gonna be so difficult.
I warned you Paul was dangerous.
When I heard Giant Saints Flow Can, I really didn't expect it to be that tough. Yeah, I don't think we doubt you now, Pierce. Where to?
To Paul's brain. That's where our weapons will do the most damage.
Hold on. This thing has a brain. What exactly have I been drinking all of these years?
I'm contractually prevented from divulging the secret ingredients in Saints Flow.
Trust me, don't think about it, Zemos. Just focus on taking Paul down before it's too late. Wow, what a view.
I always wondered what my food saw when I ate it.
And people say I'm weird.
Say what those things floating inside Paul were? I don't remember that coming up.
Oh, they're supposed to be stuff like ginseng, guarana, taurine, all those types of ingredients you find in a regular energy drink.
And what about those big polyp-looking things?
Those are just, stuff.
Wait a minute. Didn't I see those before in a medical dissection video of a frog?
Oh, look! We're almost to Paul's brain!
This is it. If we release our payload here, it should cause a chain reaction that'll destroy Paul.
Only one way to find out. I pushed the button, and nothing.
The cargo hold's packed too tight. Try shaking the ship from side to side until they come loose.
What'd you do? Just stuff everything in there, Pierce?
You try getting all those things to stack nicely. Trust me, it can't be done.
Fizzlestones and Vitios away!
We have to get out of here before the whole place blows.
And how exactly do we do that?
Head for Paul's top.
Oh, good. At least the intense escape from Paul wasn't cut.